meet you in the terminal the first week of December. Buy you yellow roses that you probably don't remember. And we listen to some silly song on the back road to your home. No, I never thought I'd have to live through Christmas all alone. Oh, hey, oh. Oh, hey, oh. So on Christmas Eve, when you're not here, I will coach myself through my greatest fear. And I'll ask baby Jesus if it'd be alright for my heart to break, my heart to break, my heart to break on this silent night. You were candy, wine, and candlelight. The snow would come and go, and you'd speak to me in tongues that no one else could ever know. And we'd walk your dog through the neighborhood, and you'd wear your mother's coat. When your hands got cold, I'd hold you close, and everything just froze. Oh, hey, oh. Oh, hey, oh. So on Christmas Eve, when you're not here, I will coach myself through my greatest fear. And I'll ask baby Jesus if it'd be alright for my heart to break, my heart to break, my heart to break on this silent night. It was almost too damn simple, well maybe I don't know, but here's a gift you won't be getting when the ground's covered in snow. Like the New Year's resolution that you couldn't keep. And I can't believe that on Christmas Eve, when you're not here, I will coach myself through my greatest fear. And I'll ask baby Jesus if it be alright for my heart to break, my heart to. So on Christmas Eve, when you're not here, I will coach myself through my greatest fear. And I'll ask baby Jesus if it be alright for my heart to break, my heart to break, my heart to break on this silent night.
Was the night before the big day, and I could barely sleep. House was so quiet I could hear my heartbeat. But then I heard a rumble. I wondered, oh, could this be the famous fat man coming down the chimney? Well, I cracked open my door to catch a glimpse of Saint Nick. Could hardly see a thing, the smoke was so thick. The driveway filled with flashing red and blue lights. Did Santa trade a sleigh in for a fire truck tonight? Oh, it's a funny story, at least it is to me. But for others, especially my mother, a day that lives in infamy. I swear I'm not a liar, my daddy lit the Christmas tree on fire. I wouldn't say that my dad drank much more than most. This time of year, He tend to double his dose. I'm not saying it's wrong, and I'm not saying it's right, but the Yule log ain't the only thing that was burning that night.